It is almost 5 a.m. Not even. And we are already waiting at the turnstiles at Hollywood Studios. So this morning we are rope dropping Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway on opening day. Everybody is super excited. There's a big crowd here now. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning and we're very close to the front. So I'm glad we got up extra early today and we can see the sign flashing up there. I'm so excited. It is 10 till 7 and we are hopefully about to go through the turnstiles. They just made everybody stand up, so we're ready to go.
Oh, they are doing fingerprints.
They're doing fingerprints. So it could take longer. You just run.
Okay.
I'll see you guys.
All right, we're making our way down. This is super exciting. I gotta say, I've never actually done, I don't think I've really ever done like an opening day attraction. And there are a ton of people here. They've already got signs out, trying to direct people, it looks like. Opening day merchandise is actually down towards Tower of Terror. We're gonna go straight in to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I don't think we're really gonna buy anything today.
Good
Morning, everybody.
Good morning. Again, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning. Great this morning. Here we go. Look at everybody. They're all out. They're cheering. This is super cool. Super cool. There it is. Oh man, check that out.
He's right in front of me. That was like the best feeling ever. I'm like still shaking because this is so exciting.
One of the biggest things right now is walking through the queue line and there's no, props. There's none of that old stuff from Great Movie Ride, which is kind of disappointing. That was kind of like one of the cool things was to come through here, but now it's just kind of this open space to go see the show, and pretty exciting. I am still like a little bit disappointed that there's not that stuff, but I'm still like super excited to see what this ride is all about.
This is so different. This used to be like the whole theater area that you stood in to watch like the preview for the Great Movie Ride.
Good morning, welcome folks all the way down here.
Hi, Goofy! Howdy! Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all there. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
I guess, Goofy, that'd be okay.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Well,
Mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de sus coches. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
Be sure to stay on your seats and keep on
Hi, cool. Here we go, we're running for the first time on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway.
What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! This is all my fault! Oh no! Kitty, let's get that runaway train!
Whoa!
Oh,
Oh my goodness! Oh! We just separated.
well, that's cool.
Not a chance!
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Look on! There they are!
We'll be right down.
Oh man, this is so cool. Whoa!
We have to stop them from moving all over them!
Whoa!
No way this changed behind us. That's awesome.
Wow, that's so cool.
That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now let's conga!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
There's the switch!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Finally made it. We've had one crazy ride.
Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit the train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay?
Whoa, that was an awesome ride. I was really surprised. I was really trying to compare it to GMR, but
You
it's
can't.
a totally different ride. It's a totally
Yes.
different attraction. So I loved it.
I think that it surprised me because I was expecting it to be the exact same track as Great Movie Ride. However, it was not. So I kept trying to figure out, like, what room are we in? What room are we in? And I'm like, well, I don't know, because we're going all different directions. So it was completely different. And, you know, you can tell what big, like, stage shows this is in here, or, like, rooms or whatever, because it's huge and they completely transformed it.
Yep.
So I did like the, like, audio animatronics. They were very different because they brought, like, the 2D characters to life, which was kind of cool.
Yeah. And they were, like, moving around, which was really cool. I enjoyed that. So, this guy might be familiar from Bull and Bear.
What's up?
What did you guys think?
Well, that ride was awesome. I'd love to say that first, but it's so much more than that. I feel like no matter what row we're in, or no matter what car we end up in, even if we're behind Goofy in the steam train next time, I think it's a different experience every time for sure, which is great because it keeps you coming back, but also, like, I'm dying to go in and give a hardcore look to see if there's any nods to the Great Movie Ride. Because I feel like there's going to be something hidden in there. I'm going to ask a few of these cast members before I leave, but all in all, like, the coolest. What'd you think?
You literally just said everything, so I'm great. That was an awesome ride.
Yeah, that sums it up.
So if you don't know, Cam now actually has a YouTube channel.
The Cam Mac Adventures.
There you go.
He'll show you all the best drinks all around.
Oh my goodness. Not only do I make drinks, I drink a lot of them.
So go check him out. Give him a like, give him a subscribe. He's going to be posting a video today. Well, maybe not today, but posting a video from today.
Everyone's going to have videos.
So, yeah, I mean, check it out. It was a really great ride. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. And the line right now for this attraction is
queuing up really
so
long.
Let's get back in. No, okay.
Yeah, this is like Toy Story Land all over again.
This was totally worth getting up when we did and getting here and waiting before, so we don't have to wait in a line now, because now we're going to go to Epcot.
We thought we'd have to wait till 8 to get on too.
We did. We were on before 7 a.m.
It was great.
So let us know if you plan on coming to Disney's Hollywood Studios to check out the brand new Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.